How do you create proper I am statements? An I am statement is you saying now what you want to be or have or feel in the future, but you're saying it now. Some people say that I feel silly doing it because they're like, well, I don't have this. Why am I saying that I do? Well, your virtual assistant needs to hear it, make the file, generate that file, and then the law of attraction is going to bring it into your life, and then the virtual reality is going to create it real. But you don't understand that yet. And I didn't either until I experienced it. And once I experienced it, once I felt it, once I understood it, everything changed in the way that I approached my intention with these statements changed. How I was doing them, my commitment to them increased. When you say I am, that is like a programming code for your brain. And it kind of goes, okay, I'm listening. You said I am what? What should I create for you? When you say those words, I am, your brain is on. It's like, okay, I'm listening. That's why certain words are important. There is a programming language. I'm still learning just a few tidbits. There's probably much more advanced stuff, but this stuff works. I promise you, if you stick with it, it works. Again, say it over and over, and the virtual reality begins to form into that thought. The words that we use, how we say them, when we say them, has a lot of power. Thank you for watching. Please make sure you like, subscribe, and comment below. And if you know anyone who could benefit from the information in my videos, please share it with them.